Welcome to the future of food engineering, where cutting-edge technology meets nature to redefine everything we know about protein production in this sterile, high-tech facility. Our journey begins with a humble jackfruit, selected for its unique fiber structure that holds the secret to creating the perfect plant-based meat alternative for consumers. Every piece of fruit undergoes a rigorous purification process, using high-pressure spray systems to ensure the exterior is perfectly clean before it enters the sterile production zone. The intensity of the water treatment removes every trace of debris, preparing the fruit for its technological transformation into an environment that prioritizes safety and absolute purity. Sophisticated robotics take over the handling, moving each fruit with calculated grace to ensure that no damage occurs to the vital internal structures during the initial stages. Phase 1 involves deep purification and scanning, where laser technology analyzes the fruit's geometry to optimize the upcoming dissection process with sub-millimeter accuracy for the best results. This digital mapping allows our systems to understand the unique anatomy of every fruit, ensuring that the separation of the core and fibers is executed perfectly every time. The fruit is then submerged in a specialized ozone bath, where microbubbles penetrate the surface to neutralize any remaining organic impurities at a molecular level for safety. This advanced oxidation process ensures that the raw material is completely sanitized, meeting the highest international standards for food safety in a modern industrial landscape. As the fruit exits the bag, powerful air jets instantly dry the surface, preventing any water dilution during the next phase of precision mechanical anatomy and slicing. We are now ready to begin the mechanical dissection, where the fruit will be transformed from a simple plant into the structural foundation of our plant-based meat. The precision slicing phase begins as ultra-sharp titanium blades spin at incredible speeds, ready to unlock the inner textures hidden deep within the heart of the jackfruit. With a single clean motion, the fruit is divided, exposing the dense white sap and the intricate network of fibers that will eventually become the base for meat. The natural juices of the fruit are preserved during this clean cut, maintaining the organic integrity of the material before we move to the automated core removal process. A specialized radial extractor targets the hard central core, removing the inedible parts and leaving behind only the most succulent and fibrous pods for further processing steps. Efficiency is key as the system automatically separates waste from value, ensuring that only the highest quality jackfruit sections proceed to the next stage of precision slicing. The slicing machine creates paper-thin, uniform layers, a critical step in mimicking the layered texture of real pork or chicken through advanced mechanical engineering and design. These slices represent the building blocks of our product, carefully calibrating their thickness to ensure that every bite has the consistent mouthfeel of premium quality animal protein. Under the macro lens, the resemblance is striking. Nature has already provided the perfect fiber grain, and our job is simply to enhance its physical properties and texture. We now enter the fiber transformation stage, where the jackfruit slices are subjected to high-pressure steam to soften their structure and prepare them for the fiber separation process. The intense heat and moisture penetrate every cell, breaking down the rigid plant walls and transforming the raw fruit into a soft, pliable material ready for industrial sculpting. Precision control over temperature and pressure is vital to achieving the exact level of tenderness required to make the fibers behave like real meat during the cooling stage. Once the steaming process is complete, the softened slices move toward the fiber pulling unit, where mechanical needles will delicately shred the fruit into long, meaty strands of protein. The fiber transformation technology is at the heart of our process, meticulously separating each strand to create a texture that is indistinguishable from the grain of cooked meat. Observe the elasticity and strength of these fibers. By manipulating the plant's natural structure, we create a chew and bite that satisfies even the most discerning meat lovers. This massive carpet of fiber is the foundation of our plant-based meat, ready to be infused with the complex flavors and colors of a traditional pork product. Vibrational technology ensures that any excess moisture is removed, allowing the fibers to better absorb the upcoming marinade and maintain a firm, meaty consistency throughout the cooking process. We now enter the seasoning phase, where a network of precision pipes delivers a blend of natural extracts and spices to transform the flavor profile of the fruit. Our natural infusion process uses fine mist technology to coat every single fiber in a rich, savory marinade made from beetroot spices and natural plant-based oils and extracts. The absorption is instantaneous as the treated fibers drink in the color and flavor, mimicking the appearance of fresh meat with stunning visual accuracy and depth of color. In the vacuum mixer, the seasoned fibers are combined with natural binders and fats, ensuring that the flavor is locked deep within the structure of the final product. This slow, deliberate mixing process ensures a homogeneous distribution of ingredients, resulting in a product that is consistently delicious and visually appealing from every single angle of view. The result is a succulent, moisture-rich texture that mirrors the marbled fat of high-quality pork, achieved through the perfect balance of technology and natural plant-based ingredients today. The transformation is now almost complete. What was once a whole jackfruit is now a versatile, protein-rich substance ready to be shaped into its final retail-ready form for packaging. Precision is paramount as the mixture is measured into molds, ensuring that every portion is perfectly sized for the consumer while maintaining a clean and sterile production environment. The final shaping involves high-pressure hydraulic systems that compact the fibers into solid blocks, recreating the density and structure of traditional cut-of-meat products found in any high-end butchery. The result is a sturdy, thick cut of plant-based meat that can be sliced, grilled, or roasted just like the real thing, without losing its incredible fibrous texture. Our ultrasonic cutting technology ensures that each slice is perfectly uniform, with clean edges that highlight the beautiful internal grain and texture of our innovative jackfruit-based meat product. Robotic precision continues into the final stages, as each portion is carefully placed on its tray, ready for the final vacuum sealing process that will preserve its freshness. The vacuum sealing process removes all oxygen, pulling the protective film tightly around the product to highlight its realistic texture and ensure a long, safe shelf life for consumers. This airtight seal not only preserves the flavor but also creates a stunning visual presentation, showcasing the intricate fiberwork that makes our product truly unique in the market. Final branding is applied with robotic speed, marking the completion of the industrial journey from a raw green fruit to a premium high-tech plant-based meat alternative for everyone. Now, we see the results of our labor in the kitchen, where the culinary potential of our jackfruit meat is truly unleashed in a high-end cooking environment today. The moment it hits the pan, the meat behaves exactly like traditional pork, sizzling and releasing savory aromas that fill the room and whet the appetite of any chef. Watch as the surface caramelizes, forming a perfect golden brown crust that adds a crunchy texture and deep, complex flavors to the already rich and succulent plant-based fiber base. The visual transition is complete. This is no longer just fruit, but a culinary masterpiece that offers the same satisfaction as meat while being entirely sustainable and plant-derived. The knife reveals the ultimate proof. Long, juicy fibers that pull apart with just the right amount of resistance, delivering an authentic experience of freedom. Every slice tells a story of innovation and nature, providing a delicious, healthy, and ethical alternative for the future of food in a world looking for better options. From the conveyor belt to your plate, our jackfruit meat represents the pinnacle of plant-based engineering, offering taste and texture without compromise for the modern ethical consumer. Join us in this food revolution, where technology turns the gifts of nature into a sustainable future for everyone, one delicious, fibrous bite at a time. Thank you. Every step of this complex transformation is monitored by a central intelligence system, ensuring that quality and safety are never compromised throughout the entire high-speed production line. Our automated logistics ensure that every package is handled with care, ready to be shipped from our state-of-the-art facility to dinner tables around the world for families to enjoy. The harmony of mechanical engineering and biological science creates a seamless workflow, turning tons of raw jackfruit into premium plant-based protein with incredible efficiency and minimal environmental waste. Quality control is continuous, with high-definition sensors checking every single portion to ensure it meets our exact standards for weight, thickness, and texture before it ever leaves the factory. The atmosphere of innovation is palpable here, where even the air is part of a calculated process to deliver the most authentic meat-like experience possible through plant-based science. Our facility is designed for scale, capable of producing thousands of tons of sustainable meat alternatives without ever sacrificing the artisan quality that our customers expect from our brand. The sheer power of hydraulic engineering is what gives our product its unique bite, compacting the natural fibers into a dense, meaty structure that holds up under any cooking method. It is a symphony of motion, where each machine plays its part in the grand transformation of the jackfruit into a revolutionary product that is changing the global food landscape. Look closely at the metamorphosis. The rigid structures of the plant are delicately unraveled and rearranged, creating a new form of protein that is both familiar and entirely innovative. Speed and accuracy define our final packaging stage, ensuring that every product is labeled correctly and ready for the global market with the highest level of professional presentation. Our product is not just delicious. It is a healthy choice for the modern lifestyle, providing all the protein you need with none of the cholesterol of traditional animal products. The texture is the ultimate achievement of our technology. Long, succulent strands that absorb flavor and provide a satisfying chew that makes every meal a truly memorable culinary experience. Whether it's in a taco, a burger, or a gourmet stir-fry, our jackfruit meat adapts to any recipe, proving that you don't need animal products to create world-class cuisine. Sustainability is at our core. Our production methods use less water and land than traditional farming, making our facility a beacon of hope for a more sustainable planet. In the hands of a professional, our product becomes the centerpiece of high-end gastronomy, blending the best of nature's bounty with the highest standards of culinary excellence and art. We measure our success not just in sales, but in the positive impact we have on the environment, reducing carbon emissions and promoting a healthier future for the next generation. This is the art of industrial transformation, where every movement is a brushstroke in the creation of a new category of food that respects both tradition and the future. Ready for the world stage, our products carry the promise of quality and sustainability, ensuring that delicious, meat-free options are accessible to everyone, everywhere, at any time of day. At the end of the day, it's about the joy of eating. Our mission is to bring people together over a meal that is good for them and good for the planet. As the sun sets on another day of production, we look forward to a tomorrow where plant-based meat is the standard, driven by the innovation we've seen here today. Jackfruit meat, the future of food. Join us on this journey to redefine protein and create a more sustainable world for all. The revolution starts in your kitchen. From the forest to the factory to your fork, experience the perfection of plant-based meat. This is the transformation of the jackfruit. This is the future of food.